Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. I want to talk about where I think we're headed this week because there is unfortunately some bearish news going on in the overall markets. I want to see how much it will really affect us, and I'll give you my opinion on that, as well as where I think CRO Coin is going to be headed and the overall crypto market, guys. We are at 7,780 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. Let's hop into this video. So, I retweeted from Watcher Guru on my Blacksea Twitter. Just in, U.S. Treasury Secretary rules out a bailout for Silicon Valley Bank, which is going to be very, very interesting. And I said, any predictions for Monday? Because, quite frankly, I think that could be pretty bearish for Monday. I think that I've been seeing people talk about bank runs, people going to banks to pull their money out, which is very, very concerning. However, I think that everything's going to be okay, to be honest, guys. I'm picturing that image of that dog in a burning house saying everything's fine, but at the same time, it will pass. The pain will pass, guys. But I will say that be careful. We are having a lot of crazy things happening, like with USDC crashing, but we are almost back up to about 95 cents as the making of this video. So there has been a very nice recovery on that. I'm sure we will get repegged to $1 once this all blows over, guys. Let's look over the crypto heat map because today we are consolidating to the upside. We're having a green day. Bitcoin is above 20,000. Would really like us to get back above 21,600, about $1,000 off, $1,000 below my price target of where I would like us to be above. Ethereum underneath $1,500. Bitcoin dominance 41.89%. All in all, we are consolidating to the upside, recovering from the intense weekend we've been having, and at the end of the last week we've been kind of going down, but because there's been lots of crazy news. We've had Jerome talk 2 days in a row in front of Capitol Hill talking about how they're going to have to raise the rates higher than they anticipated. There's a lot of hawkish news happening. However, I will say that it will pass, guys. It will pass. Let's go over at CRO Coin because right now we're holding up relatively well. I don't want to see us break below this level right here at about 6 cents. If we do, then we'll probably be headed towards 5.5 cents, which was once the low that we received from the FTX collapse, guys. So, I was not expecting that to happen, but I did say that it was a possibility of happening, and, it's looking more and more so. But I don't really think we're going to really capitulate down to this price target or go below it until we hear what's going on Monday. If Monday is a very red day and we hear from this emergency Fed meeting and they're super hawkish, well then we'll probably talk about making a new low or reaching the 5.5 cent price target. However, honestly, guys, anywhere from 3 cents to 10 cents, great accumulation zone for CRO Coin in retrospect. I mean, I'm just buying. I'm taking my staked interest and I'm restaking it. I'm still accumulating, guys. Not financial advice, but this is a great accumulation zone, anywhere from 3 to 10 cents, in my personal opinion. Let's look over at Bitcoin, because on Bitcoin, we are doing the same thing here. We have this candle close, this weekly candle close, in about 7 hours. Would really like to see this pull up above 21,600. Right now, we are at 20,436 on the weekly time frame. We do have 7 hours of time before we close below this, but if we do get these weekly candle closes up below the 21,600, well then, guys, unfortunately, I'm going to say that the next level we'll have to be looking at is 19,500. Now, this is not the end of the world, because when we zoom out, guys, I've been talking about this for a while now. I really believe 2023 is the year of accumulation leading into the Bitcoin halving. We could come all the way down to maybe even, I will say that we could potentially come down to 16Ks if we break below 19,500. But, it's lots of ifs, thens statements, because reality is we need to be looking at these different levels. And when we get weekly candle closes, then there's probably going to be a little bit of continuation before we flip back to the upside. So, in my opinion, our next stop is if we do not close above 21,600 on this weekly candle ending in 7 hours, then my next price target will be looking between 19,500 and 21,600. But that being said, guys, buying from this range here as well, just like CRO Coin, It's an accumulation zone, guys. This is going to be the year of accumulation, in my opinion. We could have lots of sideways action, and I would be 100% okay with that because when you're here during the boring times, when we're not coming down, not going up, and we're trading sideways, that's when you make the most money, guys. The depths of the bear market, when no one's around, everyone's leaving, that's when you make the most money in the bear market. Not financial advice, but that's just my 2 cents. I've been in these cycles for been in this since about 2015, so been around, seen this play out many, many times. We definitely are in strange macroeconomic times. However, I think that Bitcoin will probably play out similarly to the past events. But let's look over the S&P 500. We are wicking below this support level, but we're not getting a candle close. Like I said, Monday will be a very, very key day, in my opinion, to see where we're headed. And I really would like to see a green weekly candle at the end of this week, a little bit of a resumption off of this level to indicate that we'll have a risk on asset rally continuation, like how we got those 40% gains that I predicted back in January on Bitcoin and on other big tech stocks. So guys, it's very, very important that we keep a close eye on the S&P 500 because it kind of really calls the ball for everything at this point right now. And it's all data driven. We have to pay attention to this Federal Reserve emergency meeting and see how this all plays out. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go in the description box below, click the join button right here, or on our homepage, click join, and you can click this join right here, and you get custom loyalty badges and custom emojis that you can use on our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, or in the bottom of our videos as well. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord. We have NFT Alpha, trade signals, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and just a little bit more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. I did call out a project a couple weeks back, and it's been up significantly. People are very, very happy about that. But guys, please consider that. It would mean a lot. That's all I got. Thanks so much.